Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing your Garmin to Garmin Connect. This is where the sync pipeline starts. Make sure your device has recent firmware and Bluetooth is enabled. Once paired, open Garmin Connect and confirm your latest activity uploads. This proves the link works. Now, keep your Strava credentials handy because you'll switch to authorizing the connection next. This step primes both services to exchange data, so don't skip verifying a fresh sync from device to Garmin Connect first. You now link accounts. In Garmin Connect, choose Connected Apps and select Strava to start authorization. Enter your Strava credentials and allow the requested permissions. This enables automatic uploads of approved activity types. Once done, choose which activity types to share: rides, runs, swims, and set privacy to everyone, followers, or private. Make sure to confirm the permission screen. If you see scope prompts, allow uploads and profile access. After authorization, trigger a manual sync to test the flow. You finish by verifying that a new activity shows on Strava with correct time, distance, and map. If it didn't appear, try a fresh manual sync in Garmin Connect or export the activity as a FIT/GPX file and import it into Strava. Make sure automatic posting is enabled and privacy settings permit uploads. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke Strava access in Garmin, then relink. This often clears token or permission errors. If problems persist, restart your device, update firmware, and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.